You gonna say Merry Christmas to Oma and Grandpa and Taylor? And everyone else go say Merry Christmas. No?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. How about you, Josh? How about you? Oh my goodness.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, Sam, follow this wallet. Nice. I got a cord. Okay, what should I play with first? I skates is out of the game. I cannot play with those. You take them. Because you have to put them away.
Oh.
I can't play with ice skates in the house.
Are you telling me Santa brought you more stuff I have to put away?
What does your spy watch do, Josh?
Do you need some help?
Yeah. Let me see. Look. See? This. And then I'm going to go get that. Okay, the spy watch. Josh is getting stuck on, so me do not do it. I cannot play the SK before. That's what I said before I was a little thing. Awesome! Wow! I didn't know it came with that.